Hi, my name is Dr. Annette Warren from Nassau, Bahamas. I got introduced to this course by John, and I definitely enjoyed it. It has given me a lot more knowledge about how to treat my sleep patients in combination with Bruxism and TMD. I actually feel a little more comfortable now treating my patients when I go back home. I'm so happy I took it, and Dr. Patel is an amazing lecturer. He makes things seem so easy. He adds enough humor to the topic so you feel comfortable and relaxed. I'll definitely do another course with him.